Right, so hi guys, Ed here, unboxing Poison Zerafa code. There we are. That should be enough time. Let me just get it out here. Right. So here's the face bolt. It's a nice goldy colour. And here's the energy ring. It's quite clear. It's really like a white. It's like a see-through sort of white colour. And then here's your poison ring. I really like the colouring on this. The purple, it really looks quite nice. And here is, wait a sec, S130. And then here's MB, metal ball. Right, so let me put them together. I got this at Smith's Toys Superstores for only $3.99, so it's a really good deal considering that loads of other shops sell it for like a quid. It's a really nice colour. It's a defense type. It feels quite heavy, so it'll probably be quite a good defense type. So I guess I'll see you guys next time with another unboxing.